I'm Jason Eakers. Welcome back to Rocky Knob Farm and our YouTube channel. It's mid-January and we've already ordered all of our corn seed to plant for our spring planting for our sweet corn, in which we're the most known for. We got a good video coming up. We even got some singing today.
Welcome back, kids, to Rocky Knob Farm. Welcome back to our channel. Whenever I first got these calves, I had trouble and I had a weak stomach, and whenever I smelled the milk replacer. But now I don't got no trouble. I'm used to it. Yeah. Look, starving.
All right, hold it up a little bit more. So I get all in there. There you go.
You like feeding these calves?
Yes, I love him. I love him.
Finn loves to show off these baby calves. He sure has enjoyed feeding them. So Finn, tell me, what's your favorite part of being a part of Rocky Knob Farm?
Well, it's farming and fencing and feeding the bottle calves. I can't wait whenever they grow up.
What are we going to do with them when they get big and grown?
Take them to cut.
We're going to eat them, ain't we?
Yeah.
So it's not something you want to be sad over. It's just the way nature works, ain't it? You get these animals, you bring them home, you take care of them, you give them a good life.
I like being with the family and working together as a team.
You like riding tractors?
Yes.
Are you learning how to drive them yet?
Not yet, but in a few years I will.
Yeah. And are you going to help us with corn this summer?
Yes.
Okay.
I actually love going to the farmer's market.
And you're going to be my sales guy again, ain't you?
Yeah. I look forward to coming here and feed animals. Now it's just a daily routine. I like being one of God's stewards for the land. I gotta get the eggs. They sure have almost messed it all up. Oh, here's some. Oh, it's good. We got fresh brown eggs. They sure did lay a lot of eggs here. They all probably laid some. We got 22 eggs today. We're checking on our rabbits, but we still don't have any babies.
Did you know that pigs love coal?
Yep, already.
We don't give them coal very often, but when you give them coal, it's like feeding them candy. The boys wanted to take a selfie, but I tell you, these boys work hard and they do about anything I ask them to do. We have a lot of fun here.
Welcome back to our channel. We got some visitors today.
My name is Kaylin.
My name's Mackenzie.
My name is Dakota. My name is and Lily. And
I'm a little nervous. I got all these women here.
are these boys or girls?
They're boys.
I like their spots.
Oh yeah,
me too.
that one's a little brown.
Yeah, it's brown on right here. Oh, this one's very friendly.
Oh,
Have you even named them?
Oh,
I'm gonna go
oh,
feed it.
oh.
How many bottles do you feed them a day? 2 bottles?
yeah.
One in the morning and one at night.
We gotta feed them from bottles because they don't got a mom. We bought them without a mom and a mom.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is over there, over in the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like the breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, I hear her voice in the morning hour. She calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. Just driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road. What's their names?
Bucky,
And Dalmatian.
Oh, that's cool. I see why you named him Dalmatian. I like that one is the cutest.
whoa, lick my hand. Why can't you tell secrets by getting corn? Corn has ears.
That is funny. Like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Click the bell and you'll get a notification when we post a video.